In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track what customers owe you in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, or just someone who needs to keep a close eye on accounts receivable, this guide will provide you with the steps to get all the details in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already logged in, open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, this is the perfect time to create one, but for now, let's assume you do. Once you enter your email and password, go ahead and hit continue to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the reports section. Reports are a powerful tool within QuickBooks that allow you to gather valuable insights about your business finances, including what your customers owe you. To find this section, locate the menu bar on the left side of your screen and click on Reports. This will take you to the main reports page, where you will see a variety of options at your disposal. Next, you'll want to focus on the section titled Who Owes You. This section is specifically designed to give you an overview of outstanding invoices and other receivables. Scan through the list until you find an option labeled Who Owes You and click on it. This will provide you with a list of all the customers and clients who currently owe money to your business. From here, let's dive deeper into the accounts receivable aging summary. This particular report will show you not only who owes you, but also how long the receivables have been outstanding. Look for the accounts receivable aging summary link within the Who Owes You section and click on it. This summary is invaluable because it categorizes outstanding amounts into different aging periods, such as current, 130 days overdue, and so on. This visual breakdown allows you to quickly assess the financial health of your receivables and take action if necessary. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to track what customers owe you using QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can ensure that you have a clear picture of your outstanding invoices at any given time. Remember, staying on top of your accounts receivable is crucial for maintaining cash flow and keeping your business operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful QuickBooks tips and tricks.